Always diplomacy you are blaming, we are surrendering to America. You won't surrender to anybody. He is a strong leader. In the interest of the nation, he will go systematically, diplomatically. We have shown our strength in Sindhu. How sharp, how firm, how determined. That is the nature of Prime Minister. He wanted to build India to be superpower. We are on the way. But unnecessary quarrels he don't want to go. At the same time, he wants to eat. I am very confident. I know his nature. He won't surrender to anybody. That is his nature. That is inbuilt character of Narendra Modi ji. I am confident of that. Being a senior politician, I am supporting him. I am interested in nation building. For everybody, nation is important rather than narrow political agendas.